so I had a little bit of mix left in the tank of my normal soap mix. I filled that up 3 or 4 times to make the white label soaps because it's just easier just to master batch my hard oils. So I have a bit in there, but it's not enough to warm it up and turn the tap on because it's only just sitting sort of just at the top of the tap. So I'm going to attempt to scoop it out and we'll see how that goes. I also don't have a little step ladder, which I really need. What I'm currently standing on is one of my slab boards because I don't use them, so it's now a step. But it's only like this high, so yeah. So have fun, enjoy this. I may fall over, who knows. Upstairs and give my sprinkles before I start because I won't remember if I start and then they won't be here and I want to do them. So yeah, be back.
Hello lovely peoples. This is really weird. I'm currently filming a vlog. So I have the phone over there filming. Hello phone. And I have you filming up here. Hello you. Dear.
Okay, so I was, no don't turn it off yet, I was going to make some sprinkles but I'm sweating and I've just turned the dryer on in here and you can't shut the door because it just gets too hot in there and the walls get all wet and stuff. So I'm going to leave downstairs for a while and go up and, I don't know, I have the printers to fix, so I might go and do that and just do some other stuff. tell you what, the supervisor's not doing anything helpful. Are you? Are you doing anything helpful? Are you doing anything helpful? Say hello. Say hello to the peoples. No, he's a good boy. Yeah. Yeah. He's a good boy. Aren't you, huh? He's a good boy. No. Me bubbles. Me little bubbles. Mommy little socks. Alright. That one's good. I'm pretty sure that one's good. That one's good. That's it. I'm done. Okay, so absolutely fucking terrified at the moment, but that's kind of the size. That's a small spider. I'm about to spray him, and that's going to be like even worse than, because he's going to fall down. Don't come over here, you fucking gigantic nutbag. See? This is when shit hits the fan. Because I don't know where it went. And that was not enough spray. Yeah. I hate spiders. I don't know how he got in the house, but he can have it now. I'm moving out. Yay, the joys. The joys! Look at that sneaky mofo. Can you see him? He's just sitting down there, chilling out, waiting for me to sit down, and he's going to attack me. Except I'm about to turn him white. Alright, I got the spray. Die! Oh, I'm going to have to breathe all that in. I don't even care. Fuck, I hate spiders so much. I don't even know if I'm filming because I'm not even looking at the freaking phone. Where did the spider go? Yeah, 2 boxes of tablets in there. 2 pairs of socks. And a spider somewhere. This is what I get for leaving shit all over the floor, I guess. Can't serve me right. These things are notorious for not dying. Like, seriously, most other spiders will just cark it, but hunties, mate. Hunties are just, they're so hard to kill. They take so long. Where is it? I need the flash on. Is it up under there? I can't see it. I can't see it. I don't want to get too close because I might have to run away, and running's really not my forte anymore. I hope you just can't read anything on there because that's got passwords in it. Don't even care. I hate spiders. Fuck my life. And I have to get the broom or something. Get the broom and move things and see if it's in there, and we'll give him some more spray. Because I didn't use a whole bunch. I'm backing out. It's like, we'll just walk backwards. There's a broom somewhere. Socks took off. Socks was eating. He's taken off because he hates spray. I can make him do this cutest little face if I pretend to spray at him. I'll show you in a second. I don't have enough hands. I have to take my glasses off because I can't actually see what I'm doing. This is not fun. I don't think it... Sorry. I don't think it's in the socks. I think it's probably in behind here. Watch it run up the fucking thing. Is that it in there? Looking at me? Oh yeah, that's it. It's still alive. The cunt's still alive. I'll have to edit that word out. He's still alive, people! Look at it! Oh, and there's light shining out of its fucking eyes. Jesus Christ! Remember my broom? Just die! Jesus Christ! Die already! Yeah, it's like 2:30 in the morning. Far out. Seriously, they're not the evilest things. Look at that, you can see the light shining off its eyes! All its eyes! No, that's so creepy! Oh, he's reared up too. He's ready to fight. Look at it! It's literally covered. Literally covered in fly spray. Will you please just die? Anyone who says that I'm cruel and should have just put it outside, you can eat shit. That thing's bigger than me and then it'll kill me. Oh, I hate spiders so much. I've actually been bitten by one before. They're not poisonous. They do have fangs. It ran at, and they are aggressive as well. The one that bit me actually ran at me across the floor and wrapped around my toe and bit me, and I had to actually pull it off. And as if I wasn't creeped out enough by freaking spiders before that. Look at him, Jesse's just sitting there going, oh, I'm just going to suck in all these juices. I'm going to go chill out the back of the cupboard here for a minute and get high. Just huff some fly spray, man. Oh, I'm so high, bro. There's no way I'm posting this because I sound like a lunatic. Maybe I'm the one that's huffed too much fly spray. No, while the spider's dying, let's go show you Soxy and his cute little face. Let's see if we can get him to do it. So hello to the peoples. You ready? Look at him, he does a little... You ready? He's so cute. He's so cute. What you doing? Little tiny socks. That is glitter. All those little bits you can see floating around in the air is glitter. I brought it with me. Everywhere I go, I spread glitter. I don't know if this framing is dead yet. I hate spiders so much. I'm going to put the fly spray down. That was a full bottle. It's probably, I probably just used like a quarter of it. Oh fuck, are you dead, mate? How you going? He's still chugging along. Is he still chugging along or is he upside down? No, he's still chugging along. Prick. Get me socks out of the way. Oh, that book is completely covered now. I don't want to sit down because I'll have to sit down right next to him. I can't sit down next to that. I'm so glad I saw it, to be honest. Came in, he sat down, and then I looked up and here he was running across the ceiling. It's like, oh, yo, great. So this is where we stay. Don't fucking die. You don't just give them a tiny little squirt. You got to give them like a quarter of a bottle before they even consider just, you know, slowing down. Come on, mate. Will you just die already? This is pretty sad. Standing here watching a spider die. Like, I have better things to do with my life. I mean, safer to do, but definitely have better things to do. Oh mate, just die. I'm gonna stop filming now because this is just ridiculous. It's like 7 or 8 minutes of me killing a spider. Welcome to